Hi everyone, so Linda and I, we're now out and about on another trip and we've come down to beautiful
Norries Head.
Yeah, Norries Head. It's just really pretty here. There's so many people out surfing. The water looks amazing. I've put the drone up and got hopefully some good shots from that. But yeah, we're at Norries Headland, and so we're going to go for a walk up the headland now and just see what sort of a view we've got from the top.
Is that Cabarita Beach there?
Oh, it's at Cabarita Beach. Yeah. So about 2 hours south of Brisbane. So yeah, let's go and have a look. Oh. How's that feeling walking up there?
Lovely.
Yeah, good?
Beautiful day.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's very picturesque here.
Beautiful, fine sunny weather.
Yeah. Still a little chilly at the moment.
So yeah, just looking up north towards Coolangatta. They've got such a great boardwalk here to just access the headland. Starts from all the way down near the car park and goes all the way to the top. So just a nice easy walk. So Linda and I have gone to the top of Norries Headland down here at Cabarita Beach, and it's whale season. And so we have just been really blessed by being able to spot a humpback whale, maybe only a couple hundred metres off the shore. I took out my iPhone and quickly tried to zoom in and get a bit of video of him, but he seems to have disappeared now. I don't know where he is. Let's have a pan around. You never know, he might just pop up again. But yeah, he was so close and you could see him coming out of the water. I'll go a bit closer, hopefully not too close to the edge. If I fall off, Linda won't be happy. It's just the start of our holiday. Oh, I just saw another one. Not sure if I'll be able to catch. Oh, there he is. Just in the distance, there's a couple of them out there. It was just a bit too windy to go and fly the drone out. And I know you can't get within like 120 metres of them. There they are, out of the water again. I can just see them. They are so cool. Be nice if one came in right up close. I think I'll oh, there goes the spout. How incredible. Pretty. Yeah, if you're ever in the Kingscliff, Coolangatta, Cabarita Beach area, make sure, come down, check out Norries Head. It's absolutely spectacular. I think it'd be a word I'd describe it with. And just so many surfers down there earlier when I was flying the drone. So yeah, Check it out.